two colors of arancini, red and white. Both of them delicious. And with it, beautiful Arrabiata that we're going to enjoy. We're going to start now, so stick around. So in this video, we're going to make two types of arancini. White arancini that are going to be with cream, lemon and mozzarella inside. The second one also with mozzarella, but it's going to be a tomato one. A little bit more red, you know, play with a little bit with the colors. Both of them are going to come with the type of salsa arrabbiata. We have garlic, tomatoes and chili together that we're going to saute, and the arancini going to come on top of them. Or if you want to serve it on the side, also. It's your choice, but make sure to let me know in the comments below how you're going to serve it. So, for the white rice, it's already done, chilled, and we're going to start with it by creating the balls. The second rice, the red one, with the tomato sauce, we're going to cook it, let it chill. In the meantime, we're going to start shaping the white ball. I already prepped it. It's a different recipe that I have on the channel with the white risotto that I made with the pork tenderloin with jerk spices. Very nice. Delicate in flavors and still a little bit bold. I'm going to leave you a link here where you can find the recipe for it. But in this video, we're going to make the risotto with the tomato sauce and vegetable stock also. We're going to mix them together, so it's not going to be too tomate. Let's start with the rice, the red one. Let's move to the cooking station. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's take time to move between them, yeah? So, take it easy, take it easy. And you need to actually think what you need. By the way, all the ingredients and the method of cooking in the description below. For the tomato sauce, we have like crushed tomatoes, a whole can, like 200 grams, and vegetable stock. I put here like around 120 regular vegetable stock. Celery, onion, carrot, and this one from the white risotto, same one. So I put, instead of thyme, I put rosemary in it. So it's also good. Just mix the tomatoes with it and bring it to boil. Very nice. 8, 9 out of 9. For now, the pot for the risotto, we're going to start with olive oil. Vegetables, we're going to saute them. And we're going to add salt. And in this one, we can add also pepper because the pepper is not going to be seen with the tomato sauce. Saute them very nice. When they are nicely roasted, let's add the rice. And make sure when you add the rice that the stock is almost boiling. Yeah, because we're going to start adding the wine, after that the stock, so everything needs to come together at the same time. Otherwise, we're going to wait, otherwise the rice is going to be overcooked, undercooked, or start to break. And we're not looking for that. When the rice is warm, we're going to add first of all the wine, then we're going to start with the stock, but not before the wine evaporates. Beautiful. When the wine completely evaporated, we're going to add from the tomatoes. 2.5 ladles. When all the tomato sauce stock is evaporated, we're still doing it on 7, yeah? Not reducing the heat, not increasing the heat. We want to give the rice time, but still not too much, so it's not going to start breaking. Another 2 ladles is going to be rich in tomato. And continue stirring it. Very important. Nonna said with the hole. Stir it consistently, yeah? And don't forget salt and pepper. We put with the celery, but the sauce and the stock, it's without, yeah? Better in sauces, stocks, don't put flavor out of perspective of salt and pepper because they are reducing, and after that it's going to become much more salty. Better to add the seasoning into the product or like what you're doing instead of the stocks, because it's going to change too much the flavor otherwise. And all of it. Let's finish this. Beautiful. When you add all the stocks and everything. Now it's just time to actually reduce it, thicken it, and we're going to do it with the butter and also with the parm. Another thing we have to do, taste, yeah? Salt, pepper, actual taste if it tastes nice. Very nice. I'm going to add oregano. When everything comes together, take the risotto from the heat and we're going to add the butter first. This is risotto, you need to add butter. Start incorporating it. Beautiful. When the butter is incorporated, let's add the parm. Big nice tray and all the risotto on it, spread it, and now we're going to let it chill. Meantime we're waiting for the tomato risotto to chill down, we can start work and building the nice arancini balls with the white one. So we have the white risotto here, mozzarella, semi-hard, you know, still soft, like for a pizza type. We're going to cut it into cubes, and for the white risotto we're going to add basil leaves, cut them in the middle, 2 stems of parsley, give it a little bit extra green color. This way, when you're adding fresh herbs to the cold risotto already, when it's actually going to warm up, all those flavors and aromatics are going to be released into the rice, and when you're going to bite into it, you will smell it, you will taste it, and it's going to be delicious. Also, for the mozzarella, don't be shy on the cubes, yeah? Make a nice cube. After that, in the frying process or in the oven, it's going to melt. When you're going to bite into it, it's going to be same as the pizza. A little bit from the rice, nice cube of mozzarella, push it inside, yeah? Make it nice and create a nice ball. This one we're going to put in flour, egg, and after that breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs that I'm making here, it's from the croutons that I made for the panzanella with challah bread. Sometimes I'm making big challah bread and I'm not fast enough to eat them, so I'm cutting them into croutons, and if I don't have breadcrumbs, I'm just making them from challah bread. Very nice breadcrumbs. But you can use also a store one. So, this plate is the white rice. Now, see the process of editing, you cut, let's say half an hour I did it, because I need to do other videos also, yeah? Into a few seconds, you know, the work, the time. If you find it useful, give it a thumbs up. So, meantime, let's start the red one. Same thing, same process. Mozzarella in the middle, make a nice ball, and into the flour. Same. When we have both of the arancini already done, you see with the process of editing, it's becoming so fast. So, pot with oil 6.5, 7 out of 9, not too much, not too hot, not too cold, yeah? We want to give them a nice color, warm it up in the middle, and that's it. Let's start work on the Arrabiata. A little bit parsley, garlic, chili flakes, and tomatoes. We're going to chop a little bit the parsley, it's going to go at the end. Tomatoes, we're going to take them off the steam, and we're going to cut them. Garlic, we're going to crush and chop. When they are nicely golden, take them out to a towel. Beautiful. Going to let them rest. Meantime, let's start with the other one. For the arrabbiata, olive oil when the pan is hot, yeah? And the tomatoes with the garlic, both together. We're going to season with pepper and salt, very nice, and the chili flakes. When the tomatoes are breaking down and you don't have any liquid, final touch, olive oil and the parsley. For serving, you have two options. You can serve the arancini in a bowl and the sauce on the side, because some people they don't like spicy, yeah, and the arrabbiata is spicy. So don't surprise your guests too much. Or if you are actually serving the arancini for a person, come closer, take a look. Nice sauce for arancinis and a couple of basil leaves. And this, how you make a beautiful arancini. Of course, this one takes time, patience, but everything is worth it. Try it at home and let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Also, in general, what you think about this recipe and the channel. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. See you next week. I'm Andre. This is ThinkOFood.